Judge Eileen Cannon, the Trump-appointed judge overseeing the criminal trial for the federal 37-count indictment, issued a ruling this week against the Department of Justice after they tried to have the names of 84 witnesses sealed, so Donald Trump can't go out there and bully these people who are going to be witnesses against him in the trial. Now, Judge Cannon, in her ruling, says that she doesn't know why. You haven't presented any reason why these people's names should be shielded, so I am ordering the names to be made public. The DOJ didn't provide her with any reasons why Trump and his allies and his supporters shouldn't know who the people are that are going to be testifying against him. Let me read you part of this idiotic ruling here. The government's motion does not explain why filing the list with the court is necessary. It does not offer a particularized basis to justify sealing the list from public view. It does not explain why partial sealing, redaction, or means other than sealing are unavailable or unsatisfactory, and it does not specify the duration of any proposed seal. All right, dumbass. You want somebody to explain to you why the names of these people testifying against a cult leader shouldn't be made public? I'll do it. Let me start by just saying one thing. January 6th. Does that date ring a bell with you, Judge Eileen Cannon? Okay, because we saw what happened on January 6th to anybody who goes against Donald Trump, including his own Vice President Mike Pence. They erected a gallows out there in the crowd and were walking around the Capitol inside of it, chanting, "Hang Mike Pence." I mean, honestly, that's really all the reason that you need. But can we talk about the fact that Trump supporters are showing up at election workers' homes and threatening to kill them? Because that's also happening when Donald Trump goes out there and names people that he claims are against him. Same thing with Republican politicians who are not 100% in line with Trump. They get death threats from Trump supporters all the time. How about the judges up in New York that are handling that indictment? Donald Trump has gone after not just the judges, but their entire families, even posting their names so that his supporters know who to target. Is that sufficient enough for you, Judge Cannon, you dumbass, or do I need to continue? See, the thing is, everything I'm saying right now, Judge Cannon knows it, including the fact that she's a dumbass. I'm pretty sure she's aware of that as well. But she is trying to stack the deck in Trump's favor. Because there is no reason that this list of potential witnesses need to be made public ahead of time, other than, of course, so that Donald Trump can go out there and trash these people on social media. And some people may be thinking, but wait, Farron, they put in the order. Trump can't do that. No, that's only in New York. The order for down here in Florida for this trial is that Donald Trump cannot have contact with these people to talk about the case. It doesn't say anything as far as I've seen that he can't get on Truth Social, put out a list of names and tell his followers, these are the people that are going to try to put me in jail. So he could theoretically do that. And the court's not going to hold him responsible. You think Judge Cannon's going to do anything to her special little guy? No, she's not. If the evidence weren't so overwhelming against Trump at this point, I would 100% tell you that he's going to walk. Judge Cannon is going to do everything in her power to try to let him walk. But that evidence, especially with the tape that we talked about earlier today, with that coming out, the public knows it. So I don't know who leaked the tape. I don't care who leaked the tape. I'm glad somebody leaked the tape. Because the entire public needs to be aware of what is going to happen. They need to be aware of the evidence against him. They don't have to know who the witnesses are until they testify, at which point whatever they say in court is going to be made public. But the public needs to be aware of what's happening, because if they're not, then Judge Cannon can stack the deck in Trump's favor all she wants. And that, of course, is going to lead to the public thinking, oh, well, I guess Trump didn't do it. I guess it's okay. The judge said that Trump is innocent. But if the public knows going into this exactly what's happened, then 100% it's going to be harder for Judge Cannon to try to rig this thing for Trump. Hey, everyone. This is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel. We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.